Oh yeah. Hey everyone. Bet you can't guess what we're playing. Oh, title's there. Super Punch Out! Time for some boxing and crazy fans and trying to make Little Mac the biggest, greatest, best guy ever. Let's do it. So, I've been researching up on let's see. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, there we go. Nope. Whoa. Let's try this again. Okay. OT loose. Is it gonna fit? Alright, okay. Championship mode. Minor, because we're terrible at this game. Alright, Gabby J. Let me win. I've lost so many times I forget how winning feels. No way. I have played this a bit because, it's a cool game. Gotta dodge. Uh. 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 Come on. Come on. Epic dodge. Punch. Punch. Give him the old 1-2. Oh, not you. I'm supposed to give you the old 1-2. Stop gabbing. Start fighting. No, I don't want to take a break. I'm going to take him out right here, right now. Punch, punch, punch. Get back in here. What you think you're doing way over there? Boom. Boom. Champ right here. Push all the buttons. Get some health back. Push all the buttons. Boom, boom. Oh, he got me good. Come on, come on. Gotta beat on you a bit. Get my special up. Okay. Try and punch me. Uppercut. I dare you. I dare you. Yeah. Come on. Boom. Left hook. Right to the face. Oh, get some health. Get some health. Get some health. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Oh. It's gotta knock him out one more time for a TKO. Oh, he's wailing on me now. It's all good. It's all good. We got this. Boom. Did you see that? Did you see that? That's how I wreck people in the game. I've never actually punched someone in the face. I feel like that. So some people that's like a rite of passage or like shows off your manliness. I think it's just violent and silly. But that's just me. OT loose. Alright, let's see here. Minor circuit. Bear hugger. Watch out, I'm a killer. I'm the bear hugger. Yeah, he's huge. Like I was just like a dude in overalls, like just a weird mountain man out of nowhere. It's like, oh, I'll put on these gloves and punch and stuff. Oh gosh, I hate this guy. He's actually not that tough once you figure out his strategy. Took me forever though to figure out which one to do. You told me to punch your stomach, bro. Specials. Oh gosh. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. Boom! Super punch to the face. I hit him so hard he flew. Oh, get some health, get some health. I always forget about that. Okay, okay. Block it. That's chill. Special punches to your noggin, bro. Right? Pow, right in the kiss. Oh, he knocked me down. First time I knocked down this time. Get up, get up, get up. One. Yeah, that's what's up. We're gonna TKO this guy too. I don't think I've ever actually KO'd a guy. Just because it's like, it's so hard. Oh, so close. Epic dodge. Boom, knocked out. TKO. What up? Easy peasy. Actually, that probably was the quickest I've ever knocked that guy out before. I'm just on a good day, man. Just on an on day, knocking out fools. It's awesome. Oh, extra life. Alright. I think this guy right here, Piston Hurricane. Can you ride out the storm or be caught in my hurricane rush? He's actually super tough to me. There's probably some strategy to beating him. I just don't know it. So my strategy is always just try and find a gap and opening and just keep on punching. Oh, he just punched. No. No. Oh. No. No. Just keep wailing. He's never not blocked me this many times. He's usually just always blocking me. I'm just wailing on his stomach. Really? Like, I feel like the difficulty level went way down or something. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Oh! Oh, here's this. I just know that he always punches low the second time. And I have no idea how to punch high. Oh, he always gets me that uppercut. Double uppercut, never mind. Come on, get up, get up, get up, get up. Oh, not again. Oh, gosh. I can't lose, guys. I'm doing so good this time, except for, like... Oh, he's knocked me down twice. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No more. No more for you. You don't get any more free shots. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Just a little bit more. Just body shots. Body shots with this guy is all you gotta do. Let's get some health up. Oh, he got up so fast. He got up so fast. Just gotta sit and block forever. Come on. No. Come on, just... Come on, come on. No. No, we can't get hit. Oh, we're done. TKO right there. Oh, man. Well, that was fun. Get knocked out by him. I don't know if I can beat him. I'm not skilled enough or can't figure out his pattern. We'll give it one more shot real quick. Hopefully we can get this. Come on, Mac. Come on, Mac. Now you're blocking your stomach. Maybe it's all about arts alternating. Oh, there we go. I didn't know you just hold up to block. Okay, apparently uppercuts are unblockable. No, no, I'm gonna get the first knockdown. I'm knocking you down, fool. Yes! Get that health, get that health, get that health, get that health. Oh, I need more than that. Oh, this sucks. Just gets up and knocks me out. Come on. Come on, get up, get up, get up. Okay, good, full health, probably your clothes. It's all about dodging his punch, because then he goes like limp or something. Oh gosh, those uppercuts are so powerful. Come on, come on! Stop blocking these. You ain't got nothing on me. Apparently you do, because you beat me last time. Oh, knocked me out again. Come on, come on, come on. We just gotta rock his world right here, right now. So it's all about when he's about to do something, just punch him in the stomach. Okay, I think I figured him out. We'll see if I have or not. Come on, Matt, get the health, get the health, get the health, get the health. Okay, okay, here we go. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Dodge, dodge. No, no, we can't lose. We were so close. Punch in the stomach. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Oh no, the time was up. We were gonna rule him. Oh, I was so close. Does that mean I lose? Really? You know, we're gonna just stop for now. We're gonna try again another day. I'll leave it off right here. So we can kick his trash, because I finally figured out how to do it. But yeah, just if you liked it, like, comment, subscribe. Got any cool games you want me to play, go ahead and throw it on the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you have a good night.